Hey guys, it's Ryan
and Amanda
with UNI-STAR Cleaning Service, and today we're talking about the differences between sanitizing
and disinfecting.
So sanitizing, what it does is it lowers the number of germs on a surface or object to a safe level, okay? So what you're gonna be doing is taking a microfiber cloth and cleaning with soap or detergent and water to physically remove the germs from surfaces. This process doesn't necessarily kill germs, but by removing them, it lowers their numbers and the risk of spreading infection.
And disinfecting kills germs on surfaces or objects. Disinfecting works by using a chemical to kill the germs on the surfaces or objects. This process doesn't necessarily clean the dirty surfaces or remove the germs, but by killing the germs, after cleaning, it can further lower the risk of spreading infection.